Hey guys, this is Mr. GADGETMIX, and today I'll be talking about the official Samsung Galaxy Note 9 silicone cover case. So this is a case for those who do not like the flip covers. They want their screen to be available at all times, and they're looking for something that is simple yet stylish. So I thought that, why not give this case a try? I mean, it's the official case, by the way, so I can be rest assured that everything will fit as it should. So this case I bought from Samsung official website, and I personally hate the flip covers, and I was looking for something that will protect the glass back of my Note 9, and it supports wireless charging as well. I've bought several official cases for my other Galaxy Notes in the past, and all of them have felt very nice in the hands, and I've got same expectations with this one. It has a nice grippy feel to it. It's very thin, and at the same time it is protective as well. It's pretty sad to see that they do not make the copper color one for it. So as you can see, I've got the copper colored Galaxy Note 9, and it's pretty bad that I do not have a matching case for it, and they did not have the black one in stock, so I went for the blue one. It looks pretty good. The front fascia matches the case perfectly because it's total black. It looks a little weird from the back, but yeah, it's getting the job done, and it still looks good. It is indeed a beautiful case for any man or woman. However, just keep in mind that the bottom of the phone is left unprotected and there is no protection at the bottom. There is full protection from the front and the side, but there is no protection at the bottom. I think they did this to keep it compatible with the various decks. So I think that's the main reason why they did it. In the hands, it feels really high quality. I also like the fact that it is tight, it is clean, it is simple, and it does not obstruct the pen, the S Pen, which is the main feature of the Galaxy Note 9. The quality of the rubber is excellent. It does not feel like rubber in the hands. It feels very luxurious, I would say. The color, I think, adds elegance to any color phone, and the name brand says it's real. You have this small Samsung logo at the back, which tells everyone, hey, I've got the expensive official case, if you are into that. But basically it gives you peace of mind that you have bought an official product. So if you hate the flip covers and you like a bit of grip, this is the case to go for. It is not a replacement for something like a UAG case, which are super tough and can withstand a lot of wear and tear. This is something that you would use to protect the back of your phone, and it also provides basic protection. It does not provide a lot of protection, but it provides basic protection without making your phone look ugly. Get it? So if you're looking for an official Samsung product that is made to the highest standards with the best quality materials, go for this silicone case for the Galaxy Note 9. It fits perfectly, and it does not impede the use of any of the functions such as power and volume buttons. You got access to your headphone jack. The buttons on the sides feel very clicky. It does not obstruct the front and rear cameras. It's everything you would ever want in a case, unless you want front fascia protection. In that case, you would go for the flip cover. Hope you like this video. Give like and share with your friends, and say subscribe for more gadget news and reviews. Bye bye.